So this part here on the side is the water pump on these. It's rotated off the camshaft. So if to take it off, you only need to remove 3 bolts. So it's this long one here, this long one here, then you got this little one here, and the next one's this one here. Then the old unit should just pull free pretty easy. But you're probably going to have to replace that washer there. You got another washer there, O-ring. So you may need to change them when you do it, but you might get away with it. So next I'm going to strip this down. But I just want to do a video on removing it. There's your cam. There's your decompression system.